Thank you for joining the 2026 Solution Webinar Series. Today, what we are going to talk is about the challenges for Japanese OEMs and also suppliers in APAC, focusing on ASEAN countries. So you can see in the last 3 years, no matter in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand, there's quite significant growth of Chinese OEM in terms of their sales volume and also market share. Impact are not so dramatic for the moment, but we can imagine going forward when the localization is complete, you will find the market will be more dramatically impacted by the Chinese OEM local products. But it also means the opportunity for the supplier customers, right? When we think about who you can supply in those markets, the Chinese OEM should be your next customer in those markets where you can supply your components to. We can imagine when all the localization are ready for Chinese OEM to produce the products suitable for those markets, the market competition will get more intensified. The top 5, top 6 are from BYD, from ICIC, with the NEV products. So in Thailand market, BYD or ICIC, they are growing to bigger local players. But in comparison, when we see how the existing players to defend their market share, we see hybrid is still important technology. It's important for all the suppliers to be aware that that is actually the opportunity we have. There are the new customers, and there are certain requirements on localization. It's not just about the Chinese OEM localize their vehicle assembly. There are certain requirements from the government on the localization rate. The forecast is is a combination of both top-down and the bottom-up approach. But it's not only for EV. We'll see how the market are changing and also how the regulations are changing, starting from actually year 2026. For suppliers, you need to consider who you want to supply your component to maintain your market share, to maintain your scale in those markets. Why the NEV, no matter BEV or PHEV, are winning the market. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.